up, guys? It's Kimora. It's your girl, Kimora Girl. Okay, I just messed up on that part, but hey, guys, we're back with a new video. First, I want you to click that subscribe button. Two, I want you to enter the giveaway. Three.
No, she doesn't.
3, 2, 1, go. Okay, here we go. We're about to start this video. So my cousin might have had little. Let me show you this little thing. So you heard the noise, right? Okay, here she is. Okay, guys, we're about to start this video. We're going to try to make some bad noises. Okay, want you guys comment, and I'll comment back and enter my Robux giveaway, because I got a Google Play Store card and I got like 1,000 bucks on there for everybody. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We're going to make noise. That's making it so much noise. Yeah, but we're videotaping on the camera. Oh. She making it on her freaking face. Now. Now let's try it on that. Now let's try it on a tab. So guys, we put the tablet up here. Go. Like and so we're about to make another video, but it's about to be about a toy. So I want you guys to subscribe to Kimora the Girl.